Good evening, class and viewers. Today we will be covering calculus implicit differentiation. Please like, comment, subscribe, and donate to this channel. My Cash App is with the $ up front, MLBFan. Here is an equation of y squared plus 5x squared y cubed plus x to the fourth power equals 9. Here is a useful formula for the chain rule involving multiplication, and that is considered fg prime is equivalent to f prime times g plus fg prime. So the middle case is important in the form of 5x squared y cubed, and that is where it is multiplying one another. And so we would use the multiplicative formula for the chain rule, as in fg prime is equal to f prime times g plus f times g prime. So when we label f, it will be considered 5x squared. That will be your f. And then your y cubed will be your g. So let's please keep this in mind. So y squared plus 5x squared times y cubed plus x to the fourth power is equal to 9. So after we take a derivative for a y term, we incorporate a dy divided by dx after it. So the derivative of y squared is 2y, and then dy divided by dx plus the derivative of 5x squared is 10x when involving the chain rule. So 10x and then times g, which is y cubed, plus f, and which is 5x squared, and then times g prime, and which is 3y squared, dy divided by dx, and then plus the derivative of x to the fourth is 4x cubed, and the derivative of 9 is 0. The reason why the derivative of 9 is 0 because it is considered a constant function, or constant in the form of a number without a letter. So that goes to 0. Okay, so now we are in business here. So 2y dy divided by dx plus 10xy cubed plus 5 times 3 is 15, x squared, y squared, dy divided by dx plus 4x cubed is equal to 0. So now we want to move the other terms that do not have the dy divided by dx to the right hand side to isolate dy divided by dx on the left hand side. So I want to subtract 10x y cubed to both sides, okay, and then subtract 4x cubed to both sides as well. So now we will have 2y dy divided by dx plus 15x squared y squared dy divided by dx is equal to negative 10x y cubed minus 4x cubed. And let's have that marinate there for a second. So now we need to factor a dy divided by dx out on the left-hand side of the equation, and we will obtain 2y plus 15x squared y squared is equal to negative 10x y cubed minus 4x cubed. Now the next step involves dividing 2y plus 15x squared y squared to both sides to isolate dy divided by dx. Does that make sense so far? Let's have that marinate for a little bit. So now dy divides dx will equal negative 10x y cubed minus 4x cubed divided by 2y plus 15x squared y squared. And we will rewrite this again. So dy divides dx is equal to negative 10xy cubed minus 4x cubed divided by 2y plus 15x squared y squared. So let's have that marinate. Now, the next step involves a little bit of factoring in the numerator and denominator. So dy divides dx is equal to, and in the numerator we could pull out a negative 2x because they have a 2 in common, a negative sign in common, and an x in common. So negative 2x can be pulled out. And then we will be left with 5y cubed plus 2x squared and divided by, and then on the bottom they only have a y in common, so you could pull out a y, and then it will be 2 plus 15x squared y. Many people will be okay with this being the final answer and even the step before. But if we want to be a little bit more fancy, we could even break it down to this. Dy divides dx is equal to negative 2x divided by y times 5y cubed plus 2x squared divided by 2 plus 15x squared y. So there are multiple answers that you can have that are equivalent to each other, like the last step, the step before the last, and then the step before the last two are all acceptable answers for assignments. Now, I hope you learned a lot from this lesson based on calculus implicit differentiation. Please like, comment, subscribe, and donate to my channel with the Cash App being with the $ up front, MLBFan. And I'm going to write that out as well. So if you need math help, text 559 744 3169 for services. Please like, comment, subscribe, and donate to support this channel. My Cash App is with the $ up front, MLBFAN. Thank you so much, and let's learn math together.